The STATMed class is designed for repeating, rising, or entering med students in the classroom years who want to learn the best ways to study, manage their time, and show what they know on test day. It's an intensive 10-day program offered a few times per year with very small class sizes and each with its own unique schedule, and seats will fill up fast. It's taught live online by either me or by my colleague David, and we guide each student step by step through the class experience. And when I say med student, I also mean veterinarians, Pharm Ds, PAs, etc.
Well, after about 6 months of med school and failing more than just the first 2 tests, I was dismissed from med school for failing too many tests.
The STATMed class rectifies a huge problem that no one teaches these students how to effectively learn under the fierce fire hose of medical education, where there's so much information coming so fast. This applies to classic death by PowerPoint lectures, to flipped classrooms, to problem-based learning, to independent board study. Students take the STATMed class because what works for others does not work for them at the med school level. This includes things like doing thousands of Anki cards, or rereading, or studying their old way. They want tools that will work for them at this incredibly challenging level. They want all new, active, evidence-based study methods that will put them in command of their learning every time they sit down to study, getting the most bang for their buck, hour by hour, day by day, week by week, for the rest of their careers. If this sounds like a good fit for you, click here or email us to find out more. Thanks for watching.